The Stimson Scorcher is one of the most unusual three-wheelers to emerge from Britain's prolific kit car era. Conceived by designer Barry Stimson, the vehicle entered production in 1976 and immediately stood apart for its layout, construction, and audacious character. Stimson used the mechanical components of the Austin Mini, engine, gearbox, and subframe, mounted at the very front of the Trike. Depending on the chosen Mini power unit, displacement ranged from 848 cubic centimeters to 1,275 cubic centimeters, and even the smallest engine could push the lightweight 560-pound machine to around 100 miles per hour. The Scorcher's body was a fiberglass shell bolted to a tubular steel chassis. It offered almost no weather protection, leaving occupants exposed unless the optional plastic bonnet was fitted. Even then, much of the mechanical hardware remained visible, giving the machine a stripped, hot rod attitude unusual for a road-legal vehicle. The seating arrangement was equally unconventional: 3 seats in a straight line, with the driver positioned at the front and 2 passengers behind. This odd configuration confused Britain's licensing authorities, who eventually classified the Scorcher as a motorcycle sidecar combination. As a result, only 2 occupants were legally required to wear helmets, though Stimson recommended that all 3 do so. The Scorcher was sold through Nouveau Developments of Brighton for £385 as a self-assembly kit. Buyers could transport the kit on a roof rack and complete the build using salvaged mini parts. This low-cost, hands-on approach fit well within the thriving British kit car culture of the 1970s, where enthusiasts embraced minimalism, creativity, and mechanical experimentation. Stimson himself was already known for popular designs, such as the Mini Bug and the 6-wheeled Safari 6, yet the Scorcher became his most famous oddity, despite being his poorest seller. Production lasted until 1980, with only about 30 examples built. An attempt to revive the project in 1981 under new ownership resulted in just 3 additional units. Nevertheless, the Scorcher has gained a cult reputation. Surviving examples seldom appear on the market, and Stimson's continued presence in the kit car world keeps the vehicle's legacy alive. Today, the Scorcher stands as a rare artifact of British automotive ingenuity, a lightweight, fearless trike that fused mini engineering with radical design. Its blend of simplicity, speed, and eccentric charm ensures its place as one of the most distinctive kit cars ever created.